Morning.
Good morning.
Give us their driver's license.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling?
Not so bad.
Good. There you go.
I'll keep a bottle.
Just out in the back. What have you got in it, like some magic potion or something?
Hot water.
Hot water?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Got a bit of sore throat, so I thought like, okay.
Right. So it's hot water good for, doesn't it?
Yeah, it soothes.
Is it?
Yeah. And not very hot. Warm water rather.
I'm okay to video this.
Okay.
Well, we've got Sharan. Is it?
Sharan, yeah.
Sharan.
Yeah.
In for first attempt this morning, 10:14 in Durham. Have any questions before we start?
No, very good.
Go on, then off you go already. Don't put that on when you can't go anywhere, just put it on when you can, yeah? Does your friends know you've got your test today?
Yeah, they have sent in their messages.
Yeah. I had that tape. I had the, can you pass me them wipes on the size? I had your maid out yesterday.
Sorry?
I had your maid out yesterday. What do you call him? Shamal?
Shamal.
Shamal.
Okay.
Driving like a lunatic again. Not holding back in meeting situations. And
yesterday I was watching you had uploaded 2 old videos, right? I mean like 1 year back, saying
what?
how not to fail a test in your YouTube channel.
Oh, alright, yeah.
So I saw that and brushed up myself, saw my video also.
Did you?
Just to revise what mistakes I had made. So hopefully.
Are you feeling confident?
Yeah.
Got to be the mirror first, then mirror then second. Yeah? That would have been in second to go around that roundabout. And then just turning right the next one for Durham City Centre. That's it, get that signal on, you need that signal on to the right.
Okay.
Turn right on you, and put it on where the road colour changes, yeah?
Because last time you said like this is almost like we are taking the left lane, so
Yeah, but you pick the left lane, but you still signal right, yeah?
I still use the 12 o'clock rule. I mean, after 12 I have to keep the right signal.
Yeah, if you turn right and round, I'll put the signal on again, yeah? Come on, will you speed up? Now, if you're not turning right, don't put the signal on. If you're going straight ahead, third exit, don't put the signal on. If you're turning right, put the signal on for right. But you just use the left lane there to turn right.
Okay, that is all. Okay.
That was all. You said you could use the left lane, didn't it?
Yeah. That's why I was a bit confused whether signaling.
So put the signal on for right and where the road colour changes, yeah?
Okay. From here.
Now,
Yeah, for this signal you said like when I'm turning right, I mean I use the right indicator, right? So when I'm about to leave that, then I have to do the left indicator.
we turn right at the lights.
Okay.
Which roundabout is that?
Here, just the one previously.
That one proves it. If you're going straight ahead, where we went, you wouldn't signal right. If you were turning right where I want you to go, you would signal right, and then once you pass the exit, before you leave, you'd signal left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because even if this control signal, I have to still do this. I mean, if I'm even still on the same lane where I am, I still have to exit.
You signal to leave the roundabout, yeah?
Okay.
So if you're going left, you signal left.
Okay.
If you're going straight ahead, second exit or third exit, you don't signal left or right. But if you're turning right, you signal right, but you signal to leave the roundabout.
Okay.
There's enough room.
No, I think these guys are waiting for.
No, the bus has pulled up, look.
Okay, this guy.
Look where he's parked.
Okay. I was a bit confused because.
Well, he was parked, wasn't he? He's parked at the side of the road. You could see he was next to the curb.
Okay.
He wasn't waiting in traffic. He would have been over to the centre, wouldn't he?
Okay.
With a bus pulls up today and you can go around it, you must go around it.
Okay.
Don't sit behind it.
Okay.
It's really slow, this. Drive really slow.
Okay. Because it is all mentioned slow, I didn't beat
Yeah,
speed
it's
up.
a 30 road.
Okay. 20
It's
is
clear, isn't it?
Okay. Okay. I'm being too conservative today, I guess.
Well, just do what you normally do.
Yeah, I think that's better.
Yeah, don't overthink things. You've got a nice clear road. Yeah, nice clear road. I know it's got slow road, but you're only doing 20.
Yeah, it's all slow continuously, so it's like...
So if you're doing 30, I might just lift off the gas. But I wouldn't be slow and drive to 20.
Okay. Test their nerves, maybe. Test their nerves.
Well, you all get them. Just do what you've been doing on your driving lessons, apart from the serious faults, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't cut corners, look, see how you cut the corner?
Sorry?
Don't cut the corner.
Okay.
You've got to look for the centre of the road, yeah? Now
Go
at
wide.
at the end of the road, turn left. And can you drive it forward into a bay of your choice?
Wide.
Yeah, no, stop. You've got to look all around first. Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't look all around, it's an instant fail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But, you know, you just rushed that. You could have had all them around there.
Yeah. Take your time.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Right, it's in. Go on, back it out to the left. And you pull up the convenient place on the left. Oh, there's a junction,
Yeah. That's what
You have to think about things,
it. Yes, before I stopped, I realized it. Then
yeah, well, just no. You need to think about things. Look, what have you got to the right?
junction.
No, stop now. There's a car. We concentrate. Put your handbrake on neutral. You should have just pulled in down there. Look.
Yeah. Further down.
Yeah. So, there's cars coming. Look.
Yeah.
Dear me, put your handbrake on. Now we concentrate. But I would have just checked my mirrors and I would have said there's a junction, there's a junction. I'll just go down there where that hole is, yeah? No, stop. You've not looked over your shoulder. You have to look over your shoulder. Oh dear. Oh, I feel sick now. Go on, off you go.
Okay.
Just drive on, away. What's happened this morning? Now at the end of the road, we're turning left. Oh, stop. You've not looked over your shoulder. Dear me, oh.
Nerves.
What?
Test your nerves, I think.
Test your nerves?
Yeah. One vehicle.
Oh, dear me.
No, I think. Yes.
I'm not bothered about the left shoulder, it's just the right one we want,
Right,
yeah?
okay.
Just do what you've been doing on your driving lessons.
Yes. I think this one hour really helps.
What?
This first hour helps actually.
Is it?
To iron out all the mistakes.
Turning left at the end of the road.
After this, I think. I've made all the mistakes I should have made in the test, so I think I should be.
Got me a bag of nerves now. Well, it's good. Time to go and meet your driving examiner.
Okay.
Right, well, we're at the test centre and he's drove like a lemon today, haven't he? Hey?
The bad of.
I've come to test Pip to pick him up. I was feeling really confident, and I don't know. It got me nervous now. Have you any questions before we go in?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Are you going to pass?
Hopefully.
Don't forget your blind spots, and if you have to correct anything, make sure you look all around first. When the roads open up, just make good progress. Don't drive like an old granny. And when it's really busy, just drive really slow.
Yeah.
There's an emergency stop. Make sure you look all around the car. And what else was there? Oh, when you have to pull up a convenient place, don't just whip it in.
Yeah.
Have a look
Take
first,
my time
yeah.
and do it. Yeah.
Well, we've had a scruffy drive today, so I'm going to go about 4 minors. If he drives like he normally does, he should be come back with just 1 or 2 minor faults. But I've seen this happen before on test here.
Test day knows probably.
Yeah, well, get it sorted. He'll say, do you want your driving instructor to come with you? Say no, just say, he says, I'm not coming because I've just I've spent the last hour watching him drive like a lunatic. But he'll say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes.
Yes, yeah.
We've got that and I'll be there at the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, we're back off test with Sharan. Sharan, tell him what you've done.
Got it!
Got it! Well done, Sharan, well done.
I just scared the hell out of Ken, like, first hour. Ken was not happy, but...
Oh, he had me
I
a
have
bag
it
of
now.
nerves, but he was good enough to smash it, so... What was the driving exam like?
It was very good actually. He was, he made sure that I was comfortable. Just,
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He actually like gave a small casual talk to make me feel comfortable. Then
Yeah.
I was like, okay.
You got 3 minor faults, tell them what they were for.
One was at a roundabout, undue hesitation, and
Yeah.
the other was like I stopped near a junction and I started pulling and then I immediately stopped. And the third one, what was the third one? I don't know. 1, 2.
Can't remember now. There was I'll get an email for it on.
Yeah.
So there was use of mirrors, yeah. What he
use
did,
of mirrors.
he pulled in too close to a junction. We're not too close.
No, this thing reversing maneuver. The third one was
the
reversing.
parallel park,
Parallel
yeah.
park. So
So you had to shunt it forward. So one for undue hesitation, one for parallel park, and what was the other one? For the mirrors, which he said was very lucky, yeah?
Yeah. It's very close.
Yeah, well done.
But yeah. Yes.
Hey. Happy chappy, huh?
Yeah. Finally.
Oh, what a relief. Get in. Because he drove like a lemon before, didn't he?
Yeah. When I was surprised, like I'm making so many mistakes.
Well, it does happen. We had to get a bit nervous.
But that helped actually. You know, brush up all the mistakes and iron it out.
The examiner said if he'd gone any further forward when he was edging forwards, he said you would have told him to stop and give him a serious fault, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was his junction here. He's just 2.5
Just about here.
lengths. Yeah, don't overthink it. No, well done. Buzzing after that one with good stuff after the first hour.
Yeah. It was crazy.
Yeah. So did you do the emergency stop?
No. Did the reverse parking and 3 times I had to stop on the signs. That's it.
And you got the following signs?
Yes. He was actually very good. He made me comfortable actually.
Did he?
Like, yeah.
Really nice, aren't they?
Yeah, this guy is very good actually. He was like, you don't have to.
They can see that you can drive really well.
Yeah.
Won't be nice to your mate next week, will they?
Shamal and Kurshid.
Well,
all the best, guys, if you're seeing this.
Oh, well done.
But actually his presence helped a lot, you know. The way he spoke with me helped me a lot.
Yeah.
Like he didn't make me like, I'm the examiner.
Yeah, they're really nice here, yeah.
He didn't do that.